What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we're back with another video. Now, I had these mids for like a week or so. I just thought it would be important for you guys to check them out because they are doing pretty good on the resale market, like quick break flips, some lunch money they call it. And now I'm pressured to film the video now because one of the preschool sizes is literally just sold. So, what's good? I'm here, Little Roy TV. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 subs, as well as, like the video, comment. I respond to all my comments, so let's get right into it. I don't want this video to be too long, too short, whatever the case is, but, let's get right into it. Ladies, like the Instagram, as well as, like the Instagram, what the hell? Ladies, hit me up on Instagram. The DM is always available for you guys. For the fellas, keep supporting your boy. Now let's get right into it. These are, like I said, you see the title. It's Jordan 1 mids, teddy bear, or whatever they call it. I don't know, I'm gonna see. But by the time you're watching this, obviously, I know the title of the exact name of the shoe. And, yeah. So let's get right into it. So, off rip, by the time you guys are watching this video, I legit did a 10-hour shift at my job from 8:30 in the morning to 6. I'm exhausted and I'm still filming this video. But you guys are probably watching this a day or two after I film. So, yeah, I don't understand, but I'm legit tired. I kind of got like a mini headache, but I'm still going to film for you guys. So, off rip. I'll show you the preschool size because obviously this is the one that just sold. Let me just make sure. Yeah, right here, 3Y preschool. $70. I sold it for $92, so that's $22 profit. I'll take it. I'm just gonna run through these PS and toddler size just so I can run through it, and then get to the important GS size. I'm gonna take them all out one by one. I want to see if there's really a difference. Let me see. That's the GS size. Wait, so didn't I get a toddler of this shoe? Oh yeah, I think I did. It's right here. You guys know I be having stuff all over. So hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna take them all out so we could compare them. And then the GS size right here. So, this is the, let me do the toddler. This is the toddler. Obviously, it's little as hell. Blue, green. They still got the fuzziness on them, right? So cute and little cozy. Like I said, I don't know if they call this the teddy bear or the other one is, but, yeah, right here. Little cute fuzzy shoe. Little cute and fuzzy. That's the little toddler. They do have the same color patterns with the shoe, which I'm going to get into details on the GS. But this is the 3Y that I just sold. The blue and green. The fuzziness as well. With the inside. Yeah, straight from Nike. I ordered this a 3-pack from Nike. The thing is, I think I did cash back with these, so I'll be making more money, I think. I don't really remember, but yeah. So that's the preschool size 3Y. The toddler was a 5C. But this is a 5.5 or a 5. And it comes in the regular box. So I don't have to show you. But yeah, 5Y. Comes with extra laces for them. I don't know why, but if you could tell, this is like some teddy bear type of laces, like some fuzziness. They're really taking over with this teddy bear fuzziness. But like I said, I keep calling it the teddy bear, but I don't know if it's the exact name for these mids. But yeah, they dropped them on the Nike app, and they are in some stores, but got the extra laces, got the blue, got the green. Now I'm gonna take out the other shoe because it has 2 different colors, and I want to make sure you guys get the full details based off what you want. just in case you want to go purchase, right? So let's do a quick thumbnail. Wait, is this red? Yes, the red one. I don't know if you could tell on the camera because it might be too bright. It might look orange, but the other one is peach, like a peach color. I don't know if you can see the glare, but this one's the red one. And then you got peach, red, blue, and then the green. But let's get that quick thumbnail. Boom. But yeah, so let's get into the details. You got the little fuzziness on the tongue. Of course, you got the Jordan Jumpman with the Nike Air right there. Do a little glare so you can see it. But yeah, no patent leather, just the regular leather, like a gum bottom. The back, nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is how these mids look. Let me get the official name for them, so maybe that could help. They call it the Pearl White Racer Blue, which is crazy because how is it Racer Blue if it just got one blue? Meanwhile, what about this color, the red and the peach? I don't know, but that's what they call it, the Pearl. What is it? Pearl Racer Blue, yeah. But these are just like those lows that drop, which I'm also got a video. I got a video for them as well, the teddy bears. But this is like low-key the different version of the teddy bear lows, but I call it the teddy bear mids. But let me know if you guys like them. Ladies, if you're watching, subscribe to the channel while you're here. They're nice and cozy looking. If I could get a jacket with this material, that'd be fire. But yeah, that's one last final look at these. Let me know what you guys think about them. Did you know they drop? Are they a skip? Are they a drip? Must cop or not really? Did you take an L on these or did you not? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I think they're actually sold out now, but yeah, they should be in some stores, I guess. You just gotta go look. I just wanted to show you this on the channel. I've been waiting to film these videos, but now that I sold a preschool, I might as well get the video out to you guys. Like I said, you're still gonna watch this video a day or two late after I've recorded this video, but I had these literally sitting under my table for like a week. But you guys know I'm the mid and lows king right now. On my channel, my biggest views is all mids, so I wanted to give you guys these mids right here. I sound chopped because I've been up for so long today. I'm gonna go get a good night's sleep, watch some Netflix, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Ladies, hit that Instagram DM. Everyone else, check out the main channel on Instagram. Those links will be down below in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Your boy is out.